Welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make Dalgona coffee easily at home. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated every time I upload a new video. Number 1, put coffee in a paper cup or any other cup, but I prefer paper cup. Then add some sugar in it according to the taste that you want. You can mix a little bit, okay. Then put little drops of water in the cup. Yeah, you can see I have the boiler there. Then mix. Take a spoon and start mixing slowly, mixing. Yeah, you'll get a paste like this after mixing for some times, but keep on adding drops of water and mixing until it comes to, you can see it is actually it's a paste, right? Mix until it's so fine, right? Yeah, the texture is fine. The paste same like the Colgate paste. Yeah, mix well. The more you mix well, the better the results. Add some water, some drops of water. Mix again and again. Yeah, like this. You just mix slowly. Mix again, add some water, mix again, add some little water. Then the final paste, put it into the cup that you will be drinking from, right? So I'll be drinking from this ceramic, so I just transferred the paste into this ceramic. But if you be using the paper cup, you can still proceed with it, but I prefer this one. So you go to the boiler and put the water now to the full, right? And it's hot water, not cold water, hot water. Yeah, it's already mixed, the paste is fine. The moment you put water inside, the paste is fine. No need to stir too much, and you get something like this. Yeah, and you can see that this is the product. The Dalgona coffee, so beautiful, so amazing, and you can enjoy it with any other breakfast dish. Like I'm now taking bread, herbs, and eggs. Yeah, herbs, it's bread in Arabic. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.